How to remove my AI on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the chats page. Once you're over here at the very top, you're going to find this option, My AI. Now what you have to do is press and hold on it. Now navigate to the option Chat and Notification Settings. Click on the option on Pin Conversation. This removes My AI from the top of your chat feed. Next, to fully clear it from your chats, press and hold on My AI again. Go back to Chat and Notification Settings, and this time tap Clear from Chat Feed. Click on Clear. A confirmation will pop up. That's it, My AI will be removed from your main chat list. You can still access it later if you want, but it won't appear in your feed unless you start a new conversation. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.